Hayley?
Yep.
Where are we going?
Apple picking.
We sure are.
County Line Orchard.
According to Hayley's dad, it's the start of the season.
The radio told him.
Yes, last time we went, there were apples, but I think we
We
literally...
had to really reach for them.
We really picked the last ones, didn't we?
They were really good though. They were very sweet.
They were very good. So we're gonna go back to the same place. I think we're going like a month earlier now. No.
The last time we went, it was like middle October. We're looking at like mid to late September. Like mid-late September.
Which way are we going? I don't know. Hayley, you know all the information here. I don't.
What do you mean, which way are we going?
Like, where is it that we're going?
It's a County Line apple orchard.
And where's that?
In Indiana.
Oh, very good.
Hobart, Indiana.
And where are we now?
Right outside Chicago. On the Dan Ryan Expressway.
Over yonder, you can see maybe a skyscraper. We're on the south side right now on 55. We're gonna swing it a little right, go south on 90.
Arrived. Not too crowded. I guess we'll see. Oh yes, look at the little pumpkins.
No.
Skirting to the left.
I think the $2 one looks pretty good to me. So we get a tractor ride and a bag for apples. I will be happy. Alright, so we got these bags. I folded it up. We got 4 of them.
I'm gonna shove them in my purse because that's what men do.
You did bring a purse, so.
Well, because I have keys and a wallet and everything. I'm gonna stick your hair.
Please don't.
You're lucky I love you.
Put these in your purse. Maybe give it another
Wait,
half.
why? Aren't we going for apples? Or are we going through ride and then apples?
Yeah, let's whip the tractor around.
Rip the tractor?
Well, we should wait for the next one. There's a lot of people on this one. Oh, there's the next one. There we go. Look at that.
We're not getting our big pumpkins
There's some
today,
good hay right here. Ah,
like
at the
last
back.
time.
My favorite.
Just like last time.
This is the best spot on the tractor.
Why?
I'll have you guys know.
Because the bumps?
Because
I don't see apples. Are they matured? Are there apples?
I guess we'll have to ask the gentleman that works here.
No. We'll find out ourselves. Bouncy ride. Very bouncy.
Everyone got off on the first stop,
Except
for us. And now we feel like we did something wrong. Our time in a tractor has come to an end. We did a full loop and now we're going into the store. Is that right?
Yep. Well, we gotta start picking apples though. Hi.
Hello.
Look, I want to buy these later. I don't know why we're here now.
That's a good fruit right there.
We're gonna buy them later.
I've seen one. All right, we are finally doing what we came here for. And here's a trick. You ask one of the workers to provide you with one of these contraptions, and it allows you to pick the apples that are high up on the trees.
Which usually tastes really good.
Yes. The higher the apple, the more sun, the more energy, the more sugar production, I should think. So from my understanding, the best apples are the Honeycrisps. The Jonathons are pretty good. The Galas are pretty good. Is there Fugi here?
There is Fugi, actually.
I'm not sure the order of the other ones, but I know Honeycrisp is probably the best one.
I don't know, those Gala were really good last year. The yellowish ones. They were nice and crisp.
Well, we'll find out when we get back.
I don't see any apples in this section.
Oh, good thing we got 4 bags, so now we don't have to mix them. We know which ones are going to be which.
But I'm going to get a lot of apples.
Yeah, but you know, you'll fill one whole Honeycrisp, another one to Gala, you know.
A taste test.
We're making our way to the back.
Think it's good? Some quality apple, fresh off the tree. You don't get better than that. Alright, let me go put little something and then we'll start picking.
Eggs. Maybe just one at the moment, yeah?
Yes, I'm putting the rest away.
It's all about tone, not size, right?
They do say size matters. See, this is the hard part. There's just so many. Last time we had to really like hunt for them. And now it's like endless. Look at all these bushels of apples just waiting to be picked and eaten.
How much is a bushel?
I don't know. Ask a harvester.
A harvester?
Yeah.
Isn't that a machine?
A harvester, not always. Listen, if you're old school.
We gotta go find a combine.
If it's
Oh my God! The longer you look, the more you see. They're everywhere. There's so many apples on this tree, on this branch, that it's on the ground from all the way. They're like golden delicious. They're the green ones right here. Which one tasted better? Oh, you haven't tried the
I
golden
haven't tried the green
delicious
one yet. I'm
yet.
still trying to eat this gritty one.
We technically don't need this tool.
We don't.
We don't. Maybe later we will, but I found
Probably
an apple
not.
all the way up there. I think we're still in the golden delicious section, maybe Jonagold. But I see one up there. I really want it, so we're gonna put this thing to use.
You got the one apple. On the other side.
Oh, you got 2 of them. It's a big brother and little brother.
Not bad.
These are Jonagold?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, 2.
Are these Jonagolds?
I think so.
Or is this row? Hot.
Verdict?
That's good. It's just hot right now. Like baking in the sun. Right? It's too hot. It's not my favorite, but it's good.
I will say this.
Oops.
I think this is better than the Gala, the first one we had.
No.
Yeah?
I like the Gala.
No, I think so. I think this one's more tart.
He's lying. Gala's better.
You need the acid to balance out the sweetness. It adds to the complexity, which adds to the experience. You understand?
You an apple connoisseur?
Don't listen to her.
You're crazy.
You can be a connoisseur of whatever you'd like.
No.
All right, we have saved the best for last. We got 2 rows here, and they seem to be all picked. We found a new type that we didn't know was here, and it is the Macintosh. But first of all, we have walked everywhere, and we have found 0 Honeycrisps. And this row of Macintosh doesn't look too promising either.
It smells like rotten apples right now. Would you like to record my debit card info?